how to insert a Frank community chat into your website. First of all, you need to find your site profile on Frank. You can look on it in the homepage or search for it. Okay. Now here on the YouTube page profile on Frank, I'm gonna claim this website. Okay, start verification, and I will get a HTML meta tag or DNS text record. Okay, DNS I need to insert into the in the domain provider page, and the HTML meta tag into my website, and then verify my website. Okay, because I'm not the owner on YouTube yet, I can't verify YouTube, but I have a verified website. And now I'll go here to business dashboard, and here you see shows road, manage website, and here I can get the code to insert the community chat into my website. So I will do it on Wix. Okay, this is the floating bubble side. Okay, it's this one. Okay, I'm gonna copy the code, and we'll go here in the Wix manage dashboard management on setting. I will do add a custom code. I read it before, and here I'll do it edit. I will insert the code over here and apply, and the friend community chat will show up on my website, all over the website. Okay, let's go to the blog pages. See, this is in Hebrew, so but it's working on all languages. Oh, I'm in the blog page. Second, this is homepage, you see, and now on the blog page, see, it's all over the website. Now, if I want to insert a static chat, community chat into my website, I will go over here, static box. Okay, I can change the side of the box. This is the default. And now I will go to the edit page. See, I want to insert it on the blog page. So let's delete this. Add element, embed code, embed HTML. Okay, and we'll insert it over here and update. And close it. Okay. And now also I need to go to the mobile and make sure the size over there is also fine. See, that's it. Publish. Go down. See, okay. This chat is on this page, and this one is the chat from the home page. You can see here this page. Okay, see the same also in the extension. You can see. Okay, see, hello you. It's all over. And now if I will go to the home page, now people in my site can speak each other, and also users from all Frank network can speak with people on your site. So see, okay, see now also I'll go to the shows road profile on Frank, and you can see it over here also. So go ahead, insert a community chat into your website, improve your engagement with people and people with people in your website, and make people stay in your website. And let's connect the internet and make it a big social network together. Thank you very much. You can contact me